She's crying. Hello there, Elmo. What's wrong? I cannot find my shape. You cannot find your shape? Elmo's shape is missing. Oh, wow. Don't worry, Elmo. We are here. The Super Rescue Team is here to help you find your shape. Let me sing a song so that all the boys and girls can help Elmo find his shape. Are you ready, boys and girls? Which shape is missing? Oh, Elmo cannot find his shape. Tell me which shape is missing? Oh, Elmo cannot find his shape. Which shape is missing? Let us go to the shapes chart. Hold on. Here we are. Which shape is missing from the chart? Oh, Elmo, you don't know, but we are going to help you, Elmo. Is it the square? No. Is it the triangle? No. Is it the star? No. Oval, rectangle, diamond, circle? No. So which shape it is? Anyone can help Elmo? Who said the heart? Somebody said a heart. I heard you. A heart. I heard you. Elmo, we found your heart. Here you go, Elmo. All right. So Elmo missed his heart. Oh, Elmo missed his heart. Now we are going to talk about the heart today. And it is a shape. Anyone loves to see this heart? Yes, it shapes the shape of a heart. And anyone can tell me which color the heart has? Did someone say red? That's why Elmo was crying. He lost his red heart, and Elmo has the color red. What? I'm wearing a red blouse? Who said that? Do you like my red blouse? Yes, I'm wearing a red blouse. Oh, and I have a red shirt too. Look at my red shirt. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. So Elmo, we're going to give you this red shirt to keep because you love red. Elmo loves the color red. And so we are talking about the shape of the heart today. Look at the heart. You love it? Now we are going to hunt around the house to find some things that has a red color. Hold on 1 minute. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Thursday! Here I have a big red bag. Down in my big bag, bam, bam, down in my red bag, bam, bam. I'm going to find some things to put in my red bag. Now you're going to help me pick them up around your house. A red pear, bam! A watermelon. Elmo, did you bite my watermelon? Bam! A red cushion. Cozy, cozy, cozy. Let me see if it can hold in my bag. Oh Lord. And here I have a red ball. Let's try something. Whoa!